The Donner 5-piece kids drum set is an excellent choice for young drummers between the ages of 5 and 12, providing a complete set that includes a bass drum, toms, snare, hi-hat, and cymbal. Constructed from horizontal-grained poplar wood, the drum shells ensure durability and produce a powerful, resonant sound that young musicians will love. Included in the set are both adult and child-sized drumsticks, as well as an adjustable drum seat, making it convenient for both children and their supervising adults to play together. Despite not being pre-assembled, the set is easy to put together with the help of a detailed installation video, ensuring a quick setup so kids can start playing almost immediately. The drum set's stability is enhanced by a triangular fixation structure and rubber feet, which keep the drums securely positioned, allowing for confident playing. With its attention to stability and quality, the Donner drum set provides a reliable and enjoyable drumming experience for budding musicians.